Hi guys, welcome to Unboxing Reviews. We're going to be unboxing the Nintendo Switch today. They're just, regular version, regular base version. But before we start the video, let me let you know something about our sponsor. This right here is called Ray's Energy Drink. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, and also it's a 12-pack. Ray's Energy Drink has been an amazing supporter of me and my YouTube channel. They give me, gift cards, promo codes, and everything. This is one of the energy drinks out there today that honestly it delivers a lot more than your annual Monster would. Like, it delivers a punch. I don't know how that really would work sum up, but it delivers somewhat of a case of the I don't want to go to sleep after drinking it. I don't feel tired after drinking it. So what we're going to do here real quick is we're going to tell you what it says. It says Focus, a powerful nootropic blend recovery fortified with restorative branded share amino acids and energy, stamina, and hydration. Honestly, my opinion is to get the Voodoo style. It's limited edition, and it's one of the best flavors that you can get on the market today. So make sure to go to repsports.com, use my promo code UnboxChallenges96, and get $4.95 off your next order. So anyways, guys, we're back to the video. So basically what I'm going to be showing you guys is that Nintendo Switch in 2020, is it worth it? And basically all that snazz of what comes inside the Nintendo Switch box. Now, here in America, United States and Louisiana, we have had a shortage of the Nintendo Switch console due to the COVID-19. So we have not really been able to get any. Well, finally, Aaron's, let's go to your local Aaron's, maybe they'll have it, had one Nintendo Switch left. So here you get your little screen right there. Look how pretty it is. I have been searching for a Nintendo Switch for months, honestly, and could not find it due to the COVID-19 outbreak and everything. So now that states are opening back up, I think Japan is the ones that sell it. I'm really not so sure. I haven't done my research yet. They're starting to send us back some Nintendo Switches that go with, American companies. So you take the little box out, you got your charger cord. Well, no, this is your HDMI that goes into your console. You got your base charger, your base cord. I can't speak today, guys. I apologize. Got a little handy dandy notebook, Blue's Clues reference. Oh, and also, this one comes with a hand controller where you can put both your Joy-Cons right there inside. So you have your own self to control it. You got handles for your Joy-Cons, which I don't know who uses those. If you do, by all means, do you. Then, over here, you have your base where you hook your Nintendo Switch to. So it's right here. You hook your Nintendo Switch into there and you can play it on your TV. I swear I saw something right here. What is this? Oh, there's your other Joy-Con stick. So, now that we have the unboxing done, let me get everything set up so we can do the review. So as you may see, I'm not in my chair, my normal chair. It's having maintenance done on it right now because I went to think that it leaned back and just broke it entirely. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together. In case you are young and you don't know how to put a Nintendo Switch together, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the question I asked beforehand in the video is a Nintendo Switch in 2020 worth it? Honestly, in my opinion, yes. It is a diverse console that really has a lot of respect on it. It's the first of its kind, in my opinion. Yeah, we had the Wii. Wii was outstanding from whenever it first came out, but then again, it just died down. You can't sell a Wii for like $100. They give you $13 for it. So you take your Joy-Con and you put it in a little side part right here, and you'll hear a click. Once you hear that click, it's in. There's that little click. So you get your other one, and if you want my opinion, please, whatever you do, I have mine in my house right now. I was about to say in my car. Get you a protective case for it at any means, because you can bring this thing around anywhere. So once you bring it around anywhere, you don't want to drop it, and if you drop it, you don't want to break it. So make sure you get a case for your Nintendo Switch. So you put it like this, and when you want to play on the TV, you get it and you just slide it. Well, okay, come on now. Blooper reel, huh? There you go. You just slide it in there, you take your Joy-Cons off, and you slide them the same way you put them in here. So, that's how you do it. For a console that came out, oh, hello, B. It's in the box. You can go away now. You can go away now. Thank you. For a Switch that came out, years ago, a few years ago, it still holds up in 2020. You got Breath of the Wild, you have Link's Awakening, Mario Kart. Mario Kart's been played across, all Nintendo consoles. It's their mainstay. It's where they strive at. And Nintendo's even said they're not going to go down on prices, because if they do, they know people's going to buy their console. They know that they are. They know that they're going to buy the games and everything else. So, honestly, 2020 is here, and a Nintendo Switch is the perfect console. Because you got the PlayStation 5 coming out now. And honestly, I can't wait for that Wi-Fi router to come out, because I really want it. So, make sure to go. They should be having them out now. They should be selling them again. So make sure to go pick yourself up a Nintendo Switch and just have fun with it. So let you know, you got your little power button up here, volume rocker right there. Your game slot is right here, and your charger port's down here. I'm not so sure. Let's see. Oh, headphone jack for your gaming, stuff. If you want to create gaming stuff, you have a little kickstand on the back, if I can get it out. So whenever you just want to get at your table and play, you can just set it up like that and be ready to go. So we're gonna boot it up real quick to see if it's even charged. Yes, it is charged, just a little bit. Let's let it boot up. Nintendo Switch. It took me 3 months to get my hand on one. And you get the little intro music and everything, and then you set it up. So, we're going to the Americas. We're going to set it up and get everything done with it, except, next, searching for networks. So, once I get everything, kind of downloaded onto this thing, I will let you guys know how it is on my social media. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, at Skinny Jeans Official. Make sure to follow me on my TikTok, Yoshi Senpai. And make sure to follow my other YouTube channel, We the Villains TV. We do a little bit of skits, a little bit of reviews. It's a little bit of everything, not just an unboxing channel like this one is. So make sure you follow me on all my social media. Pick yourself up, guys. I cannot stress this enough, that you guys need to pick yourself up some Raised energy drinks. That is the best energy drink you can get on the market today. I've had one. I even have a shirt. Pick up their apparel too. Their apparel is sick. You see this? It's yellow and black, two of my favorite colors. So therefore, it's amazing. So make sure to go and pick yourself up a pair of Raised Energy. Go to revsports.com. Use my promo code UnboxChallenges96 and get energized, man. Get energized. You guys have a wonderful day. I have been Skinny Jeans, and this has been Unboxing Reviews. Later, guys.